Welcome back to part 3 of the Dollar Tree Multi-Purpose Cleaning Paste product review series. In the previous 2 videos, I tested this cleaning paste in the bathroom and kitchen and it exceeded my expectations. Check them out here. Today we'll continue testing the product to find out what else it can clean, including an extremely dirty oven. Keep watching to find out more. Let's do this. I tested the cleaning paste on these dirty bathroom tiles. As you can see, they are covered in soap scum and grime. Not good at all. Here the product did an excellent job of cleaning them up. Look at the difference, y'all. Amazing. All the dirt is completely gone. I also tried the cleaning paste on this bathroom shower towel grout, which is so discolored and grimy. Look at that. I like how the dirt is coming off so easily. No need to use elbow grease here. Look at the transformation, day and night difference. The grout is all clean. This is definitely a big yes for me. If you have tried this product before, share your experience in the comments below. How did it work out for you? Next, I tested the product on an extremely dirty oven. This is what I was talking about. I have to admit though, I wasn't expecting much from this product, but it really surprised me. Because of how dirty this oven is, I had to use some elbow grease to get the job done. The paste did remove most of the dirt, but there was some left over that can be easily removed with a pumice stone. For more information on how to use it, check out this video here. Look at the before here. And now the after. Far much better. I also tested the cleaning paste on granite in the bathroom shower. As you can see, this granite has lots of dirt built up.
If you're getting any value from this video, maybe hit that like button so the video may spread more people. Thank you for supporting my mom.
This surface is delicate when it comes to cleaning products, and so I was a bit skeptical about using the paste on it, but to my surprise, it did work. The paste cleaned all the nest dirt and pink bacteria. Look at the before and now the after. Amazing. For your information, if you have had water stains on your granite, this paste won't work on them. Overall, I'm impressed with this Dollar Tree multi-purpose cleaning paste, especially considering its low price of $1.25. It handles various cleaning jobs without producing overpowering smells or strong fumes. Stay tuned for part 4 of this product review series, and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care of you, my friend, because you're special. Bye.